Ladies and what's up? Pablo des! 皆さん、私はステルです。こんばんは、ジョシュです。私たちはフィリピンから来ました。SB Latino!
Kaya Rina! Subarashi!
Mina Genki! Mina Genki! Wow, we are really so honored to be here with all of you, and we are so excited for tonight.
Whether you're all really a fan, or this is your first time meeting us, we're truly happy and grateful to be here with you tonight. Arigatou gozaimasu.
And of course, whenever we perform, we always make sure that everyone enjoys. Can you all enjoy tonight? Minasan ishuni tanoshimita desu ka? Let's go!
Yeah, we practiced so hard for all of you tonight, and this performance comes straight from the heart. これは心からのパフォーマンスです。
みんな楽しい？僕たちはエネルギーとパッションとカルチャー、音楽で見せたいです。We are happy to showcase not only our energy and passion, but also our culture through our music. 僕たちのパフォーマンス、最後まで楽しんでね！一緒に